Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I am going to do something that I never thought I would do on my channel ever, and that is the natural makeup challenge. I saw Atlee do it, and then I saw Kate Marks do it, and those are both people who I really admire in my own makeup artistry because they're so bright and bold and unique in their looks, and so I kind of thought that it might be a challenge on my own skills too, to see if I could do this. To me, it's not like I can't do natural makeup, it's just that that's not what I was used to. Even when I first started off wearing makeup when I was like 13, I started off with bright colors and smoky eyes and funky lipsticks and all that. So it's not like it was something that ever really came to my mind. I didn't quite see the point of wearing natural makeup if I was gonna put natural makeup on my face. Even though like my mom that entire time, she'd be like, aren't you a little young to be doing that sort of look when I would do like smoky eyes and bright eyeshadow. Let me tell y'all, there is no time like high school to play with blue eyeshadow. Let me just put it that way. I have a bunch of stuff here that I think I can use. It took me a little bit to go through my makeup collection and figure out what I even wanted to use because, you know, it's difficult for me to pull out all of the natural makeup products that I don't have. I think I have a good collection, so I'm just gonna get started. So since I'm gonna use a BB cream, I'm not really gonna use a primer, but I think I am gonna put this City Color Glowing Complexion Illuminating Cream. I think I'm gonna at least dab that onto a few parts of my face to kind of put underneath that and make it all nice and glowy. I think the one thing I'm gonna get out of this is that I can really use like highlighters in this challenge because I think at least with my skin it is naturally pretty glowy, at least as we go on throughout the day. So I'm gonna put this as my primer. If you've ever wondered what I look like after a workout, just look at this that's on my face right now. So I'm going to use the only light to medium coverage thing that I even own in my collection, and that's this NYX BB Cream. I have the shade 02 Natural. I really like this for Sundays when I have to get up super early to go to church because it's not like super light coverage, but it's not super full coverage either. And I can honestly just apply it with my hands, but I'm gonna, just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge like I've been doing with the Illuminating cream. And you can see that glow still come through, which is nice. I think that was a good decision on my part. The thing about this BB cream though is that it does oxidize. That's why I use a shade that I do. I think if it didn't, I would have gone a shade darker. So if you're gonna use this, it's really good, but just remember to go a shade lighter. But it also does kind of make it like more coveragey once you put it on and kind of let it rest a bit. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the only one I own because I only own one concealer, and that is the NYX HD Studio Concealer. I still use that with my more light coverage looks, so I'm going to do it in like a triangle shape but like smaller than what I normally do. I'm not gonna like take it all the way down and across the face. And normally I let my concealer sit while I do the rest of my makeup just to provide some more coverage, but since we're not doing that today, I'm going to just blend it in right now. Okay, I'm actually really liking how my face is looking, so that's good. And you can't even tell the fact that I have some acne forming on like this side. A lot of these things I really only have one of, just if you're noticing a pattern, but I'm going to use my Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in dark brown, but I'm gonna build it up so it's a bit more natural looking. I did have the Essence Make Me Brow, but it only really worked when I had the blonde hair. I'm just going to add a little bit more structure to my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my eye makeup now, and I'm gonna use my NYX HD Eyeshadow Primer because I don't think that that's a thing that you particularly need to change out when you're doing a natural makeup challenge. And for my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna use like this little corner. So I think I'm gonna go in with a combination of raw sienna and burnt orange and put that in my crease, concentrating that mostly on the outer corner. For my lid shade, I am gonna put a bit of shimmer there, but I figure this is a natural makeup challenge, not a no makeup challenge. I think I can do that. I'm gonna go in with Primavera and put that on my lid. And I'm gonna blend that into the crease a bit more. I swear I'm trying not to go too dramatic, but that's my struggle. And then I'm gonna take the same shades that I used on my crease and just kind of blend that along my lower lash line. Am I doing this natural makeup thing right? Now for my brow bone, I'm gonna take Tempera, just use that to highlight up there. And I'll put Vermeer in my inner corner. Now I really would love to do some winged eyeliner with this look, but I know that due to the nature of this challenge, that is a thing that I should not be doing. Normally my main issue when I do more like neutral looks is I always want to do wing liner with it to help like define my eyes a bit more. I think that's what helps kind of make an eye look really work for me, is to be able to do wing liner if I'm not doing like some sort of bright or dark makeup. If it's more natural, I always want to do something to add more definition up there. What I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna just take this black eyeliner from NYX. I'm gonna use that to tightline my upper lashes. I think that has helped a little bit. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes using my Ardell eyelash curler. And I'm gonna finish off my eyes with some Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I probably would choose like something different, but again, I like one mascara, so I own one mascara. It is a pretty simple system. For me, I don't think that I particularly need to own like multiple mascaras. Like there's certain things that I'm like, if you have something that you like a mascara or concealer or even just like a bronzer, you really only need to own like one, maybe two if you really want to switch up a look. And I have mascara on my lid, great. There are certain things that you can only have so much of because I can only get so many different looks from like one bronzer or something like that. For my bronzer, I own two bronzers. Wow! I'm going to use this Milani Baked Bronzer in 04 Glow. This is my more like, I don't know, natural glowy one. And I'm not going to contour, just bronze my face. And for my highlighter, I'm going to start off with this Makeup Monster's cream highlighter in a little bubbly. And I'm going to start that off as my base, and I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to apply it. This is like really nice and natural glowy. I kind of want to take it up a notch because I think I can. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in Blossom Glow on top of that. And for my blush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Rosé Champagne to just kind of add, I don't know, I feel like my face needs a little bit more color, but this is nice and colory and glowy. I should say pigmented and glowy because colory is not a word. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off this look with literally the only lip gloss that I own. I feel like everybody has used lip gloss for this challenge. I guess that's what it would make it look the most natural. All I have otherwise are like matte lipsticks, and I think that really doesn't go with like the natural look. So anyway, after that introduction, I'm gonna use my NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. And this is my finished look. Okay, so I actually don't hate how I look right now. Like, I didn't think I would because, I mean, I always do my makeup in a way that I like it. But I am not used to like what I'm seeing in the mirror in the viewfinder right now. Yeah, I'm not hating this look. I feel as though I wish I had had like a different shade of lip gloss that might be a bit more warm tone to go with the rest of this look. But I'm also not going to go out and buy it because I would never use it except for this look. So yeah, there's that. I do like the amount of glowiness that's on my face. I still wish that I would have been able to do like some wing liner like I would normally do with this kind of look, but I do think it looks really cute. I think I'm going to like use this combination a lot in the future because I am really liking how this base looks. It's something that I'm not used to because I struggled with like acne and having just like really rough skin for so long that I'm like, okay, now I actually can wear a light medium coverage foundation and still feel good. It's not something I'm used to. My skin is looking a lot nicer now, so I feel as though this is something that I can do if I want to. I don't think I'm gonna do like a look like this very often because because it's not my style, but I don't think it looks bad. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you on my next one. Hope you'll have a wonderful day. Bye!